All right, welcome back. It's D back with another review for you guys. I got the 2025 Honda Accord SE and a nice solar silver. Check it out. Check out this beauty. I love this silver color. So it is a SE, so you got these nice black rims. Basically like a special edition. Give you a little more option than a regular SE. I mean, not SE, EX. I just think it's pretty nice. Love the black with the silver. Accents, everything just looks pretty good together. Starting up front, you get your full LED headlight with your LED DRL and turn signal up top. Full LED headlight. No fog lights. But you got some nice gloss black accents down there. Gloss black grille. Gloss black grille match the gloss black rims. Check it out. Very nice. I think this is a 17-inch rim, so 225 50R 17. And there's also some hand-cooked tires. Gloss black mirror cap. Sunroof. All blacked out around the window trim. Starting on the back. Love the type of light bar they do. It's pretty nice. Full LED tail light as well. There's a reverse light right there. It's also tucked away underneath the vehicle. Cargo space. And the trunk is pretty nice. You get your tire right there, spare tire and your jack. Full DC sound. Pretty neat. Interior. Pretty nice. Pretty basic to be honest, but got some nice soft touch material right there. Cloth inside. You got the armrest cup holders and two USB-Cs. Climate vents back here as well. Sunroof, as I mentioned, does have the 60/40 split. Fold that down. Nice, comfortable back seats. Looks pretty good. Does have blind spot. Check it out. No power seats though, besides the driver. But, nice, pretty nice seats. Cloth. There's the key fob. You get a cigarette style charger in there. Leather armrests. Pretty nice in here though. Go around to the driver's side. Here's the window sticker. Only making 192 horses, so not a lot, but it's enough, I guess, for this vehicle. Grand total of 31,000, 32 combined, 29 city, 37 highway. Got the back seats. Driver door. Do get auto windows, driver and passenger. I mentioned you do get power seats on the driver with power lumbar. They give it to you on the driver. Turn this heat up a little bit. But here it is. It's not a leather steering wheel, it's more like a vinyl steering wheel. So you do get the full LED, LCD screen. I mean, pretty nice. Either side is information. This controls this side, and then this one controls this side. This basically is the media. This is all your information. And show you guys the back of the camera real quick. Pretty small, but gets the job done. This is a Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and your rear crosspath detection. So right here, like I said, is radio, so not really much to really show on your audio. It's on FM radio on this side, ranging your fuel, your speed, driver attention, seat belts, maintenance, safety support. You got your lane keeping assist, blind spot, forward collision, all your standard stuff with Honda sensing. That's what all this is. You got cruise control, set your following distance. And you turn that on. You can basically steer yourself. Pretty neat, isn't it? You got your volume and your track select. Pretty nice. Like I said, pretty small screen. Doesn't really just radio. Pretty much it is FM, AM. Like I said, it is Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. The tail light up there. So not really much to go over this, but it is a pretty nice screen once you get the Apple CarPlay and everything set up. Coming down here, you do get heated seats on driver and passenger, and you do dual climate zone as well. Pretty neat. Got your 2 USB-Cs. Nice little cubby right there. More just like flat plastic. It is what it is, I guess. We do get your econ mode. Turn that on, save some gas. But it does kind of, reduce the engine as it assumes. And it kind of turns down the AC for the climate. It doesn't run. If I put it on max, it's not going to be on max. You would notice it if you turn this on and off. But do get your idle stop start. Your electronic parking brake hold. You know what brake hold is? Once your foot is applied on the brake at a light, take your foot off the brake, and then the car basically apply the brakes for you and just tip the gas, go. Pretty neat though. Like I said, nice sunroof. Just pull that back. Boom, bada bing. And you got your sunglass holders right here. Pretty nice. Show you guys this interior one more time. Check it out. It's not bad. Oh man, it is windy. There it is, 1.5 turbo, 192 horses. Not bad. Give you guys a final walk around. This wind's kind of picking up real bad. Hopefully my mic is doing its job. What you guys think about this solar silver? Looks pretty good. SC all blacked out. Really need some tinted windows and you'd be good to go. My opinion. Yeah, but let me know what you guys think about the SC, man. See you guys later.